को अगर हम रिक्रूट करते हैं, so that particular IC can give you 10 times productivity. So that is the you can say formula of 1 plus 1 is equal to 11. So now the competitions में बहुत सारे ऐसे बहुत अच्छे ICs हैं, बहुत अच्छे MDRT हैं, COT, TOT, अच्छे लोग हैं जो अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं. So we can hire that particular IC to Balik. Now अभी क्वेश्चन है कि अगर if suppose we are going and meeting the IC and we are presenting our benefits, then definitely that particular IC will ask the question to us, sir, why I should join Balik? मैं क्यों बजाज में ज्वाइन करूं? Because in existing company में मैं ये बेनिफिट मिल रहा है मुझे. So now the questions को उसको अगर क्वेश्चन को आंसर अच्छे देना है तो हम ये PPT को यूज कर सकते हैं and we can show this particular benefits that why that particular IC should join Bajaj, right? So now if I talk about the benefits, then the industry experience, you do have a good industry experience. Now before going back, अगर मैं 5 साल 10 साल 15 साल if you go back, you can say to 5 10 15 years back, then there are, you can say the chances of the financial opportunity is very less because the people are not aware, you can say, that particular level. But now because of the industry experience, because of the, you can say, company experience, the people got experienced and there is a huge opportunity, financial opportunity right now, wherein they can get the maximum, you can say, incentive or maximum, you can say, output benefits, you can say, out of this particular industry or the company. Now let us quickly understand what are the reason for more financial opportunity. Opportunity kya hai? Because the opportunity is very adept in selling traditional product, because as you know that in our channel, specifically in the ESO channel, we are more focused on the traditional products, 100% that we are selling the traditional products, right? So traditional product, you can say, एक major you can say regions है जो कि हमारा financial opportunity को बढ़ाता है. Point number 2, the retail business that we are doing, the retail business, we are not always, you can say, focus on the big ticket size, right? So retail business छोटा policy हम करते हुए, you can say that we are getting the opportunity to get the higher incentive out of it. Plus we do have a very good, you can say, ULIP places, but though that actually we are not selling the ULIP plan, but we are selling the CISO, right? Systematic out, everybody knows this. Along with, we do have a very good opportunity for the business insurance. What does business insurance means? That is the MWP, the you can say employer-employee scheme, E-man insurance. Okay, so these are the business insurance which are something unique that we are selling, or we are making the people something different we are offering to the a customer through the IC. And along with the NRI insurance business is also very good scope for us to sell in this insurance business. Now, so that is why the financial opportunity is very high for the insurance consultant, so that anybody who is deciding or who is going to come and join with Balik, so that point of time that he should think that yes, this is the business opportunity, and definitely if I join Balik, then I'll get the maximum opportunity and benefits to earn the money, right? Now, so what are the enablers for this journey? क्या क्या enablers ऐसे हैं जो कि उसको help कर सकता है अगर बालिक पे join करेंगे तो? Now the first and foremost, the most important thing is the contest, because in Balik we have seen and we have experienced for the last couple of years that our monthly contest is something unique, something exclusively different, you can say, right, as compared to the competitors. Our quarterly, yearly contests are something unique, you can say, benefit that we are offering for the IC. The second is the faster issuance, that is the OTC, over the counter issuance. So हम जो policy login करते हैं, so you might have experienced some of the people that within 2 minutes, within 1 minute, through PASA, that the policy got issued. Right, so this is something unique, you can say, benefit. तो उसमें benefit क्या है? What are the benefits that IC will get the benefit? Because in competitors that we have seen that in if you are logging the proposal, then it will take 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, you can say, for the issuance. But in Balik, if everything goes well or everything in online that we are processing, then the issuance is very fast, you can say. So out of this, what IC will get the benefits? IC will get the commission on time. He or she can qualify the contest on time. So everything that you get the benefit, you can say, on this. The third enablers, that is the digital tools. I hope you can say everybody, those who have joined in this meeting, is the witness that Balik is very good on digital platform or digital support. We do have a very good digital tools where that the IC can get the platform to do the business in a very effective ways, right? Not only for the IC, not only for the distributor, but also for the customer, for the distributor, for everybody. You can say that we are good in digital tools. So that will help to build this business. The fourth one is the product. This is the need-based product. You can say that we are, the products are, you can say something unique. You can say unique product, you can say that we do have. Now, because on yesterday, Mr. Tikam has already presented the e-touch plan. Day before yesterday, also, you can say that we have discussed about the GWG plan, right? So, the products are the best, you can say, as compared to other company. So, Balik products are far, you can say, good as compared to other company. So, the IC can get the platform, the IC have the, you can say, that opportunity to cater this particular product to the customer in a very good ways, so that he can earn the maximum incentive out of it, right? The next, the most important thing is the training. We are providing the online training, you can say support or training. You can say that we are giving the classroom training also we are organizing. हम बहुत सारे different mode पे हम online करते हैं, classroom पे करते हैं, training session करते हैं for the IC, so that the IC could able to understand the products, the digital tools, the process, everything that we are giving the support on training part also, right? Which can help the IC to grow within, right? Another, you can say, good enablers we do have, that is the we do have 597 branches across India. So उसमें क्या benefit है? What are the benefits that the IC can get the benefits? IC can get the benefits. So dear Mr. IC, that we do have 597 branches. We do have a good reach across Pan India, and you can see you have the access. You can go or you can visit any branches to take the services. So that is a very good, you can say, enablers. So these are the, you can say, enabler in which the IC can get the benefits to build this business. Now next is the team support, because always we are here dedicated, you can say manager is there, dedicated manager, you can say is there to help the IC to grow the business also. So हमारे पास जो जितने भी, you can say, enablers हमने discuss किया, the contest, you can say faster issuance, digital tools, products is the best, and we do have the varieties of products which are, you can say, something unique in terms of the features and benefit. We do have the training, fantastic training, you can say that we are offering to the people, or the IC branches से हम लोग जहाँ पे कैटर कर सकते हैं, हम सर्विसेज, यू कैन से ऑफर कर सकते हैं, टीम सपोर्ट यू कैन से दे सकते हैं. सो दीज आर द एनेबलर्स, जो एनेबलर्स की एक वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे पे हम इनको IC को दे सकते हैं, जहाँ पे वो उसका बिजनेस को बिल्ड कर सकता है, राइट? सो this is how you can say that we can present in front of the IC. Now, if I talk about the contest, that everybody is the witness once again, that as you know that 24th anniversary contest is going on like this, that every month that we are giving something unique, you can say, contest to the IC. And if you are giving such type of contest to the IC, then definitely the IC will be more beneficial, and they will be more motivated to do the business, right? So this is 24th anniversary contest. In this particular contest that he can qualify. Now like this, that everybody knows, so I am not going to repeat once again the special edition medal that we are offering for this. Now this is the most beautiful and important, you can say, slide, right? Because in this particular contest, dear Mr. IC, some of the month that we are giving the extra benefit to the IC, apart from the commission and incentive. So commission and incentive को छोड़ के हम extra, you can say, benefit that we are going to give to the IC, right? So this part that we can tell to the IC, right? So this is the very important, you can say, features and benefit that we are offering to the IC, correct? Now we'll go ahead to the next slide. Now because like Chalo Pune, this is one of the something unique contest that we are offering for to celebrate the 24th anniversary contest. So like this, sir, Mr. Dear IC, that we do have multiple, you can say, contest, monthly contest that we are offering to you to qualify, you can say, in this contest, and you can get the maximum commission incentive, and along with this, some trips, the domestic trip, international trip that we are offering to you. So this part we can tell. Now this is the most beautiful, another, you can say, slide. IC को हम बता सकते हैं डियर मिस्टर आईसी, आपको कंपटीशन में अगर हम देखे होंगे तो बहुत सारा कंपनी में, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल कंपनीज रेदर आई शुड से, because in any annuity plan, because GPG guaranteed pension goal, any annuity plan, that the maximum commission is 7.5% normally that the company is offering as a commission. But however, we as a BALIC is giving an opportunity to you to earn the maximum incentive even if you are selling the GPG plan for this particular month. So this, like this, like say for example, because you can say this, if somebody is selling 12 years PPT, then total overall the commission percentage if I see, then this is 35%. So this is almost you can say equivalent to a normal saving plan, right? Which is not you can say given by any insurance company. So now, dear Mr. IC, if you join with us, then these are the benefits, something unique benefit and differentiated benefit that we can offer to you, which you cannot, you can say, get the same benefit with the existing company. Now, we'll go to the next slide. That is like this, that we do have something unique, you can say, benefit for the CISO. CISO is something unique contest, and I hope you can say everybody understood this for the last couple of years, that some of the company they are not promoting the monthly mode you can say selling, right? But we as a BALIC is a beautiful concept that we have introduced, that is the CISO, and by through CISO specifically if I talk about the earning potential for an IC, and this is a very very huge you can say potential, as rightly you can say explained or given the example when Osas sir also one of the meeting, that he has clearly mentioned that because if somebody is doing 10,000 rupees of CISO and he is selling 5 NOPs per month, then the income is far better you can say as compared to other products as well. So this is also one of the opportunity that we can encase, dear Mr. IC. So this is how you can say we can convince or we can make him understand to join with us, right? So these are the you can say payouts. So I am not going into details because of the time constraint. So everybody knows this. So I am not going to discuss in details, right? Okay. So I'm just skip all the you can say PPT. Now, so this is the most important you can say slide once again. So dear Mr. IC, as you know that because in any of the insurance company there is a concept called MDRT. Okay, so everybody, almost all companies, they are driving MDRT. This is $1 million roundtable conference, right? So this is the international recognition platform wherein any of the IC is going to qualify, then he or she will be rewarded, okay, as an MDRT for that particular year. Now, but dear Mr. IC, we do have something different for the MDRT qualifications, because आप सभी लोगों को पता है, right? Because सभी कंपनीज में MDRT ड्राइव करते हैं, लेकिन बालिक में समथिंग MDRT का ड्राइव डिफरेंट होता है. क्यों? बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई थिंक यू कैन से, बट आई हैव सीन दैट कि अगर MDRT कोई क्वालिफाई नहीं करता है, उसके लिए ड्राइव करता है, बट MDRT क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाया तो भी उसको बेनिफिट मिलता है. अगेन MDRT जो क्वालिफाई करता है उसको भी बेनिफिट मिलता है, एंड MDRT से ऊपर अगर कोई करता है दूसरे कंपनी में जो बेनिफिट नहीं है वो बेनिफिट यू कैन से हम उनको ऑफर करते हैं. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस. जस्ट आई मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस एज कंपेयर्ड टू द competitors. So dear Mr. IC, let us quickly understand what the other benefits that we are offering to you, right? So this is called Milab. Milab, you can say Goa, everybody knows this. Milab Goa is the pre-MDRT. The people those who have you can say aspire, and the people those who tried their level best but he could not or she could not able to qualify. Even if he has not qualified the MDRT, but also it's a golden opportunity, dear Mr. IC, that we are offering the domestic trip to Goa, that you can travel to Goa and you can enjoy, you can say, at Goa. And if you qualify for the MDRT, then we can we are offering for the international trip to Vietnam, right? Like this, if you qualify for the higher you can say MDRT slab, then you can qualify. There is a chances to qualify to Italy, right? So now, so how this particular benefit is differentiated, or this particular benefit is something different as compared to the competitors. कॉम्पिटिटर आईसी को यही चीज को हमको दिखाना है कि डियर मिस्टर आईसी, आप अगर एग्जिस्टिंग कंपनी में ये काम कर रहे हैं तो आपको अगर MDRT क्वालिफाई करते हैं तो आपको ये बेनिफिट मिलता है. बट हमारा यहाँ पे है कि MDRT क्वालिफाई करेंगे तो बेनिफिट तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. along with this that you will be getting or you have the chance or you have the opportunity, अगर आप उससे ज्यादा करते हैं तो आपको ज्यादा ही बेनिफिट यू कैन से हम आपको ऑफर कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द स्लाइड. आई होप इट इज विजिबल टू एवरीबॉडी. यस,
Yes, yes. We will.
Okay. Now पूरा silent हो जाता है तो थोड़ा ये लगता है. हाँ? Okay, yeah. So good. So I hope you can say that कि MDRT पे अगर हम ना बात करते हैं तो फ्यूचर MDRT हो, MDRT प्लस लाइक दिस यू कैन से टिल TOT तक हमने यू कैन से जैसे यू कैन से हमारा बिजनेस वॉल्यूम बढ़ेगा, जैसे हमने स्लैब यू कैन से क्वालिफाई करते हैं, उसी हिसाब से हमारा बेनिफिट भी हमको मिलता है. So dear Mr. IC, it is a golden opportunity for you to qualify. And if you associate with us, then these are the benefits that we can offer to you instantly so that you can get the maximum benefit out of it. And this is another slide, right? So, dear Mr. IC, that we are also giving the extra benefit for the people, those who are on track program on MDRT. हम अगर MDRT को जैसे हमने जनवरी टू दिसंबर तक ऑल कंपनी यू कैन से एज यू नो दैट दिस इज द कैलेंडर ईयर, जनवरी टू दिसंबर तक हम MDRT का ड्राइव करते हैं. तो उसी में अगर सपोज मान लीजिए जनवरी टू दिसंबर तक आप हर माह पे आप कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, यू आर डूइंग द बिजनेस एवरी मंथ, एंड अगर कह लीजिए यू कैन से गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर you specifically Mr. IC, if you achieve the MTD along with the GTD target, GTD is what? Goal sheet till date, the target which is mentioned in the month and month, right? So if you are achieving this particular slab, then you will be rewarded, you will be getting the extra benefits which we are offering to you, dear Mr. MDT aspirants, right? Dear Mr. IC, that if you qualify this slab, then you can get the benefits out of it. Not only the rewards and recognition, but also you will be getting the financial benefits that you will be getting out of this GTD achievement. Now, this is how you can say that we can make him understand. Now, dear Mr. IC, agar if you qualify, as I have already mentioned in the previous slide, that if you achieve, right, the higher slab of this particular MDRT contest, then you will be getting the extra benefit by the company, that is 2-night extension for top 20 ICs in the Pan India. Pan India में अगर top 20 ICs से अगर आप आते हैं तो you will be qualify for this particular extra benefit, that is 2-night extension for top 20 ICs to Milap in Italy, right? So this is the extra benefit that we are offering to you. Now, here Mr. IC can ask the question to us. Yes sir, वो तो contest हर जगह पे मिलता है, right? Contest तो सर मेरी कंपनी में भी मिलता है. तो what extra benefits that we are going to give you, give me sir? आप एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट क्या दे सकते हैं आप हमें? सो हम बोल सकते हैं yes dear Mr. IC, you are asking very right questions, and just to update, just to give you or to make you understand sir, that we as a Malik, we as company, that we are offering the additional support to you for this business. ये बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, बिजनेस में सक्सेस होने के लिए सर हम आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे, एंड these are the additional support that we can offer to you sir. So point number 1 is the PASA. PASA, everybody knows this. This is pre-approved sum assured. जैसे कि हमने सिविल पे हमारा अगर पैन नंबर हम देते हैं, as and when that we are checking the civil side, right? When we enter the PAN number, then automatically all the financial, you can say financial statement in terms of what, कि आप कहाँ पे लोन लिए हैं, कहाँ पे डिफॉल्टर हुए हैं, आपका फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, everything that will show in the statement. Like this, dear Mr. IC, just to make you understand, we do have a concept called PASA, pre-approved sum assured, as and when that we are entering that particular PAN number in the portal, in this particular application during the login. So that point of time we can check that this particular customer is having the PASA of 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore, 5 crore, 6 crore, 10 crore. So accordingly, as per the eligibility, as per the PASA pre-approved sum assured, so we do not require any, you can say document, or if it is required, there's a very limited you can say document that we require to process the policy. So this is something unique, you can say benefit. So PASA के through से हम जाते हैं तो आपको सभी को पता होगा that issuance is also very fast. Immediately the policy will be issued. So dear IC, इसमें आपको क्या benefit है? इसको आपको इसीलिए बेनिफिट है कि अगर हम कस्टमर्स को पासा चेक किए 1 करोड़ का सम एश्योर्ड है तो आप इमीडिएटली यू कैन से लॉगिन कर सकते हैं विद मिनिमम डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस, एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस लेने के बाद इमीडिएटली द पॉलिसी विल बी इशूड. पॉलिसी इशू होने से कस्टमर विल बी हैप्पी, यू विल बी हैप्पी बिकॉज यू विल बी गोइंग टू क्वालिफाई द कॉन्टेस्ट, यू विल बी गेटिंग द कमीशन एंड इंसेंटिव ऑन टाइम. So that is the very unique, you can say, additional support that we are offering as in Bali, right? The second is the most important is the CISO that we have already discussed, because if some of the people they are the salaried person, monthly you can say मोड पे लेना चाहते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जैसे गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज है, वो लोग बोलते हैं नहीं सर एट ए टाइम मेरे को 1 लाख 2 लाख 5 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, आप एक काम कीजिए सर, अगर इफ इट पॉसिबल 10,000 रुपीज 10,000 रुपया या 20,000 रुपया से सर मंथली में मैं कर सकता हूँ. Do you have the provision like this? So here Mr. IC, we do have the provision like this that you can go for 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 per month. Go CISO, it is a beautiful concept wherein the small amount that you invest and you can create a very good, you can say, well, you can create over a period of time, right? So that is the concept of CISO, and this will help you, sir, to build this business. Here, Mr. IC. The third, the most important thing, that is the OTC, offer the counter issuance, as you have already discussed, and I'm very happy and glad to share with you, Mr. Dear IC, that because as our underwriting system, or as you can see in this particular the software, it is auto underwriting system is there. Then as and when we are processing or we are logging the proposal, that point of time, within 30 minutes, okay, the policy got issued. Even sometimes it happens that within 2 minutes also the policy got issued. From PASA, if you are logging, then 2 minutes also the policy got issued. So, sir, आपको Mr. Dear IC, आप ये चीज जो बेनिफिट है, जो बलिक पे है, बिकॉज इसीलिए है कि बिकॉज आवर प्रोसेस इज वेरी स्मूथ एंड यू कैन से ऑटो अंडरराइटिंग प्रोसेस है, एंड हम जब भी पॉलिसी लॉगिन करते हैं पासा के थ्रू से लॉगिन कर रहे हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली पॉलिसी इशू होना, पॉलिसी अगर इशू होता है ऑन टाइम को तो आपको भी बेनिफिट है, कस्टमर को बेनिफिट है, कस्टमर विल बी डिलाइटेड एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी ऑन ट्रैक, राइट? सो दिस आर द एडिशनल सपोर्ट दैट यू कैन ऑफर टू यू डियर मिस्टर IC, so that you can build your business in a good ways, right? So this is the key achievements of our honorable the CEO. You everybody knows that Mr. Tarun Chok. So the CEO has you can say take the award, the most promising business leader of Asia 2024, and all the you can say awards that he has received. So it is a very proud moment for everybody. So because as a company, if I talk, then we are the fastest growing company in the industry, right? So if I talk about the digital enablers, as you know that, because what we do believe that the company who are using the digital tools, the company who are investing very huge amount you can say in the digital tools to for faster and very smooth functioning of this business. So we as a company, Balik is believe on that, and we do have the digital enabler tools like WhatsApp chat, virtual chat assistant. Everybody, I hope you can see, you know this, that it is for everybody, it is for the customer को भी हम जब भी पॉलिसी लॉगिन करते हैं immediately उसका जो रजिस्टर्ड मोबाइल नंबर होता है वो एनेबल हो जाता है, and immediately all the communication the customer is getting the communication from directly from the customer from the company. So this is the very good, you can say, that in WhatsApp board. And same thing, sir, dear Mr. IC, that we can also give it to you also, that you can say we are the moment that you'll be onboarding with us, that your registered mobile number will be enabled immediately, and you do have the access of the WhatsApp board in where that you can get everything, product का details, everything, all the you can say चीजें आपको मिल जाएगा वहाँ पे WhatsApp board पे, right? Second is the InstaLearn. InstaLearn is a very good tools for everybody, and we are offering to you, Mr. IC, that घर में बैठ के भी आप सब कुछ सीख सकते हैं. Everything, all modules is available in the InstaLearn, wherein that you can develop or you can educate yourself. Okay. Next, the Digi Agency. Everybody know that Digi Agency is a portal wherein that we are going to log in the proposal. The proposal very smoothly, you can say that we are going to log in. iSmart is a very good tool for the IC, wherein that he can check the statement and a business statement, how much you can say he has earned. Okay, so all the you can say statement that he can download from the iSmart. This is exclusively for the digital tools for the IC. Now, Mr. IC, that we can also give the another digital tools or enablers to our customer, that is called Life Assist. So Life Assist portal is a very smooth or very effective application wherein the customer is, there is no need to go or visit to any branches to for the services, right? Nor you can say the customer will give a call to you, because the moment that the policy got issued, immediately the Life Assist will be enabled, and Life Assist जब enable हो जाता है तो वहाँ पे हम customer can get everything. Life Assist में आप customer खुद product you can say premium का receipt तो download कर सकता है, टैक्स का जो हमको मांगते हैं, यू कैन से ईयर का स्टेटमेंट, वो स्टेटमेंट यू कैन से डाउनलोड कर सकता है, पेमेंट पे कर सकता है अगर सपोज बाय डिफॉल्ट, बाय यू कैन से चांस अगर सपोज डिफॉल्ट हो गया, प्रीमियम पे नहीं कर पाया, तो ही कैन पे द प्रीमियम थ्रू द लाइफ एसिस. सो एवरीथिंग, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ही कैन गेट द सर्विसेज इन द लाइफ असिस्ट. सो इसमें आपको क्या बेनिफिट होगा डियर मिस्टर आईसी? आपको ज्यादा पोजेशंस नहीं रहेगा कि ज्यादा कस्टमर आपको कॉल नहीं करेंगे. आपको सर्विसेज एक बार खाली हम उनको एनेबल करना है, एक बार इनको हमको समझाना है इस लाइफ इज द बेस्ट टूल दैट वेयर यू कैन यूज इट. सो दिस आर द डिजिटल enablers dear Mr. IC that you can use this for the smooth functioning of this business, and which can help you to grow this business, right? Customer portal, we do have the customer portal live assist. We have already discussed for the login for the policy servicing needs. Chatbot 24/7 chatbot is there for both, for the customer along with for the distributor. Okay, from policy services by WhatsApp, the number is clearly mentioned, and you can save this number so that you can get it immediately. SMS service is there, video call services is there. So all the digital enablers are available, dear Mr. IC, to make this business successful, right? The next is the most important, you can say, slide we are going to discuss right now, right? Once now, as we have already discussed, dear Mr. IC, because हम जितनी भी चीजें अभी तक डिस्कस किए वो तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ही है, बट उसके साथ साथ अगर हम देखते हैं तो हमको प्रोडक्ट जो है मालिक में आज जो भी प्रोडक्ट है, ये प्रोडक्ट सबसे बेस्ट है एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कंपनी, राइट? तो कॉम्पिटिटर्स में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो कॉम्पिटिटर्स में क्या देखते हैं कि वो बोलते हैं कि सर आपके पास क्या ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो कॉम्पिटिटर के पास नहीं है? तो यस डियर मिस्टर आईसी, हमारे पास ऐसे कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स है जो गारंटेड पार में है, नॉन पार पे है, एंड दोनों में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो आईआरआर बहुत सारे ज्ञानी लोग, बहुत सारे अच्छे कस्टमर्स जो होते हैं वो पूछते हैं कि सर व्हाट इज योर आईआरआर, इंटरनल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न सबका क्या है, आप बताइए मुझे, हम कैलकुलेट करके बताते हैं. तो मैं सभी को बताना चाहता हूँ, जस्ट इट इज ए वेरी क्लियर एंड इज ए वेरी गुड थिंग वेदर आई शुड से that everybody knows that on behalf of the 24th anniversary of our company Valik, that everybody knows that this particular month is something good months, wherein that in guaranteed wealth goal plan the IRR is the best you can say higher IRR that we are offering to the customer in this particular month, so that we can sell the maximum guaranteed wealth goal plan for this particular month, so that the IC can also get the maximum benefit out of it, and everybody knows that because for the TMs also this 150% credit is there, right? So dear Mr. IC, तो हम TM का क्रेडिट नहीं बोलेंगे, बट IC का बेनिफिट यू कैन से डिफरेंटली यहाँ पे बोलेंगे. सो गारंटेड वेल्थ गोल प्लान इज द वेरी गुड प्लान wherein the IRR is very high. S plan is the another good product which is the very competitive product in the market, wherein that you can get the platform to or get the benefits you can say for this particular plan. So it's a very short term and long term, both you can say combinations. S plan is the best plan across the insurance industry. So dear Mr. IC, आप यू कैन से यहाँ पे हमारे साथ ज्वाइन करते हैं तो आपको ये बेनिफिट मिल रहा है कि आपके पास डाइवर्सिफाइड प्रोडक्ट्स है. We do have the diversified product as per the need of the customer, as per the requirement of the customer. It is a very tailor-made you can say product. We do have the flexibility product है जहाँ पे हम tailor-made करके हम दे सकते हैं, very customized way पे हम ये प्रोडक्ट को सेल कर सकते हैं. So we'll discuss in details, dear Mr. IC, about the GWG and S plan. But one thing, just I want to communicate to you that this IRR is very high as per the as compared to the competitors. So that is why it is also the good thing for you. Now, overall, if I talk, then what are the different diversified products we do have, which are available with us? If I talk about the protection segment, that we do have varieties of protection, you can say plan. Dear Mr. IC, that we do have the iSecure plan, eTouch plan, diabetic we do have. We are one of the company you can say in the industry, and I think you can say no any other company that have the diabetic term plan. Exclusively diabetic patient के लिए हम diabetic term plan बनाए हैं, right? So a diabetic term plan is something unique you can say that we can cater to the diabetic patient, right? We do have the super woman term plan. Recently that we have launched the super woman term plan. This is something unique you can say product which you can sell to the customer. So protection segment पे अगर देखा जाएगा तो we do have a varieties of you can say product as per the need of the customer. We can customize and we can give the recommendation to the customers. Like this in investment plan, we do have multiple you can say investment plan between ULIP and ULIP plan. Specifically, if I talk about the ULIP plan, that is the most important and it's a very good product in which that we have given the very good returns over a period of time. We do have multiple and varieties of saving plan, like as you have already discussed, there is the S Gold Suraksha Endowment Plan, there is a Guaranteed Wealth Gold Plan, Assured Wealth Gold Platinum, and S Advantage. So these are the different segment of you can say saving plan. And if I talk about the retirement, then Long Life Gold one, Guaranteed Pension Gold, and Smart Pension Gold. So these are the varieties of products which are available, and as per the need of the customer, we can cater the product, dear Mr. IC. तो जिस कंपनी में ज्यादा यू कैन से वैराइटीज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट रहता है तो डेफिनेटली आपको भी हेल्प करेगा ये बिजनेस को सक्सेस होने के लिए, राइट? नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द फंड परफॉर्मेंस, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू द डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस, बट हाउएवर ओवरऑल इफ आई टॉक देन द fund performance in the ULIP product, specifically unit link insurance plan, in this particular product, whatever the funds are available with us with BALIC, that is the best in the industry. We had given you can say good returns. If you see, you can say benchmark index, Nifty Mid Cap 50 index, the last 10 years returns, if I say, that is 16.183. 5 years returns, if I see, then that is the 33.88%. So if I talk about the CAGR, compounded annual growth rate, that is also very, very good, you can say, in the ULIP segment of product. So dear Mr. IC, we do have the multiple options to sell. We do have the, you can say, ULIP plan also in the traditional plan. If I talk about, if we talk more about the traditional plan and specifically for the participatory policy. Participatory policy हम किसको बोलते हैं? जहाँ पे हर साल में बोनस डिक्लेयर करते हैं, राइट? जहाँ पे पार प्रोडक्ट बोलते हैं, जैसे कि एस प्लान आप बात कर सकते हैं, जैसे इनकम एश्योर, सुपर लाइफ, कैश एश्योर, यंग एश्योर, these are some of the plan which are available for the last couple of years. Okay, तो लास्ट 10 साल का अगर हम स्टैटिस्टिक्स पकड़ते हैं, many of the customers they are asking the questions, dear Mr. IC, that ये आपका कंपनी में पार प्रोडक्ट में कितनी परसेंट का बोनस दे रहे हैं? अभी हम जो 4%, 8% दिखाते हैं, उसमें कितने परसेंट का बोनस आप दिए हैं? तो now dear Mr. IC, just to it is I am very happy and glad to share with you all, right? Because if you see in the right hand side, just I am using this casual one, sorry, pointer, just I am using this one. Okay, just if you see this is the cash bonus for the financial year 2024, that is 6%. Now everybody knows that, right? Because everybody, I hope, whatever the percentage this is swaying from 2014 to 2024, 3.10, 2.90, this is the percentage which we are giving on the basis of the sum assured, right? So sum assured के ऊपर ही percentage of bonus will be declared. So अगर if I talk about, अगर in short पे मैं आपको इसको बताने की कोशिश करूंगा, तो definitely जो हम 8% के हिसाब से जो दिखाते हैं कि 8% के हिसाब से आपको इतना पैसा बेनिफिट मिलेगा. So our company is giving for the last 10 years, 10 साल से अगर मैं देखूंगा तो वो जो 8% के हिसाब से जो भी you can say amount दिख रहा है, वो amount से ज्यादा पैसा हम दे रहे हैं, उससे कम पैसा हम नहीं दे रहे हैं. So bonus rate overall अगर हम बात करते हैं तो bonus is very, very good in traditional plan. Even if it is a par product, but we are giving almost it is guaranteed, or it is the more than you can say that we are showing. So this is, so ये बोलने में क्या you can say है, ये slide क्या you can say मैसेज देता है, ये slide यही मैसेज देता है कि हम जो दिखाते हैं, जो भी benefit illustrations में हम दिखाए हैं last 10 years में, that we have given to the customer. So as
Rajesh, now you need to wrap up 10 बजे.
Correct, sir. So we'll quickly you can say
close कर दो, because and then we'll have tomorrow another session.
Okay, yes sir. Yes sir. Just I'll take another 1 minute. Okay, fine. So non-par like that, you can say that IRR as it is Gold Suraksha ho, Guaranteed Wealth Goal hai, that is the IRR is 5.84 to 6.95% that we are offering the IRR also, right? Next, you can see if I see about the IC, then definitely we are giving or we are supporting to the IC for providing the different training needs. That is the online virtual e-learning or role play based classroom training session, certification program. These are the different things that we are offering to the IC for capability development or skill development. Okay. So new support, yeah, because as I have rightly already said, the branches is there. You can take the support from the branch also, from digital tools, application also. You can take the benefits, right? And we dedicated managers is there to support you as a team work, right? So this is how you can say that we have done it. So like this, we can go ahead. Okay, so there are the club membership, so internal club membership, international club membership is there, Mr. IC, that you can get the maximum benefits out of it also, right? So these are the benefits, dear Mr. IC, that you can get it: regular income, higher potential, residual income. Okay, the both you can say that you will be getting. Okay, higher you can say international, national recognition that you can get it. Okay, so these are the certain benefits that you will be getting with zero investment. So now let us sign up, or you can say you come and join with us, dear Mr. IC, and we can get the benefits out of it. So these are the benefits in short. Agar if I talk, then and if I talk, you can say about the claim settlement ratio. That is the 99.29% claim settlement ratio is there. That नॉर्मली कस्टमर ये क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि आपका क्लेम सेटलमेंट रेशियो क्या है क्या नहीं, तो हम उनको बता सकते हैं डियर you can say IC or dear Mr. Customer that whatever the commitment that we had given for the last couple of years that we have executed, and we have given 99.29% of claim settlement ratio also. So this is how you can say that we can convince the IC to join with us. Okay, so this is how that this presentation help us to make him understand to onboard or